going on, guys? What's going on, guys? As y'all can see, welcome back to the vlog. I am in my daily car. Right now I'm going to pick up the charger, which is in the garage right now. I'm about to go wash it because in the morning I'm gonna be riding out with one of my homeboys for one of his guys, and he offered me to ride out with him. So it won't be the only charger there, and you know, it's always good when we go back to back with the lime green. I forgot the exact name they got for that green, but that green and red back to back. But right now, that's where I'm headed to pick up my car. I'm gonna go wash it, so it'll be good for in the morning. So I'm gonna get the video started here, and it's gonna roll in till tomorrow once we go to ride out. So stay tuned, guys. I'll get back to y'all when I pick up the car and get to the car wash. Alright, guys, I know I said I was gonna get back to y'all when I get to the car wash, but y'all know I gotta give y'all this cold start. It's pretty crazy. I haven't done too many on this channel recently. Just trying to be more active, which I keep saying, but stuff keep coming up. But I'm about to give y'all this cold start right now. About to see a whole different roof environment and all that. No more cat fights. Hold on, I'm gonna flip this around. Alright, guys, I'm pretty sure y'all can hear that active exhaust squeak, but I'm gonna try to get that fixed tomorrow. It's pretty annoying, but that's what you got to deal with when you have one of these Mopars. That's the only thing I know this car to have on it so far. I haven't seen any other car that I had, but this is my first V8. But yeah, I gave y'all a cold start, and now I'm officially on my way to get this car washed. So stay tuned for the next clip. Alright, guys, so I just got to the car wash, and right now it's pretty busy, so I gotta wait a little bit. But my camera is dying, so I'm gonna start off vacuuming. I might not get that part. I'm gonna see if I got another battery to interchange, and we're gonna go from there. So I'm gonna vacuum real quick, and hopefully I can save enough battery to get some of the car wash. Alright, guys, I am finally done. I do have some battery charge left. I switched out the battery pack, but I'll show you all the finishing touches on it. Somebody's in there again, touch this wash, but there we go. Kind of dark back there, but I don't think I'll be able to show y'all the carbon diffuser. Oh, yeah, I can see it a little bit. Let me try from the other side. Yeah, I can see it a little bit, but here we are, man. That's me, you know. But that's how it's sitting right now. Sitting pretty, you know. But like I said, this video is going to be rolling until tomorrow because I'm gonna be riding out. So The next clip will be tomorrow, so stay tuned and we're gonna have some fun. But before I leave for the night, I'm gonna give y'all guys a start. Lights on it, so I'm quick and easy. Alright guys, stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Alright guys, we finally made it. Take this thing off of eco mode. As you know, we got 100 mile range, but in this car it ain't nothing. That's about like 30 miles. So I'm gonna show y'all where we starting at and how we gonna end. But take this thing off of eco mode. Can't have no fun in eco.
There's some camera light too, right? Fuck.
Right.
Anyway.
Oh, you deaf right. You know your lights.
Damn right. These things, boy, you gotta stop these. They run, man.
You got a little pops in you, Gil. You got a little pops in you.
Oh, yeah. Jump around. That's bullshit.
Yeah, he ain't doing nothing.
Oh, is that the Fuchs?
Oh, got the bikes rolling in. Somehow we beat them here. We supposed to be following them. Alright guys, so this is day 2 from that car wash video. So this is how I'm starting off the vlog. But I'm out here with my boy. I'm out here with one of my homeboys, like I said. And none of these people know me, but I'm helping him support, you know, even somebody I don't know. That just shows the heart, you know. Somebody's mom passed away, and here we are. With a little ride out, you know, just a little ride out, bring the bikes out, bring the cars out, show a nice time. It's 9:20 in the morning. Like I said, we probably only drove for like, what, less than 20 minutes, and look at the gas. Alright guys, now we're leaving out. And we on the ride back. We just hit up one spot, which is his boy house. You know, pay your respect. And come to find out, I actually met the guy at a boxing match we went to. We were sitting right next to each other, so that was pretty nice.
Why not? You going there? Getting gas?
Probably. Well, I was behind you.
Yeah, I'm fucking. Yeah, I probably should. I just want fucking like it, man.
Throw some like 15 in there or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna go throw something. I should have stayed on the joint. Yeah, I forgot all about it. You know what? That's what happened. I forgot. I didn't know you were trying. You don't pop everything. That's nothing too.
As you can see, I'm back in the house now. I did forget to record a bit. It's been a very, very busy, productive day. But thank y'all guys for watching the video. Stay tuned for more vlogs. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see y'all guys next vlog. Stay tuned.